Before you begin the process of installing your new thermostat, make sure that it is not a high voltage system. If you see a high voltage sticker, L1, L2, or thick black wires, you have a high voltage system and it is not compatible with the TrickleStar thermostat. You can confirm compatibility for your new thermostat by going to portal.tricklestar.com/tstat/compatibility. Next, make sure you turn off the power to the furnace. This can be done by turning off the circuit breaker. Some furnaces will also have a power switch on the unit. Once that is done, remove the existing thermostat faceplate and the wires from your old thermostat. As you remove the wires, use the provided label stickers to mark each wire with the terminal it was removed from. Next, remove the old thermostat by unscrewing and carefully pulling the wires through the back plate. Make sure you don't let the wires fall into the wall during this process. Once the old thermostat has been removed, place the TrickleStar mounting plate on the wall. Next, use the built-in spirit level to level and mark the holes you will be drilling. Using a 3/16" drill bit, drill holes into the wall using the marks you placed. Insert the provided drywall plugs into the newly drilled holes and gently tap them into place with a hammer. Now, position the TrickleStar thermostat's mounting plate and insert the provided screws to secure it to the wall. Using the labels on the wires, insert each wire into the corresponding terminal on the mounting plate. Gently push the wire into position until the tab stays down. Give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they are secure. Before you install the thermostat, make sure that you set the jumper position to reflect your HVAC system. The TrickleStar thermostat has a guide sticker on the back to help you determine the correct position. Gently pull the jumper off using a set of needle nose pliers and replace the jumper in the correct setting for your system. Clip the thermostat onto the TrickleStar mounting plate. It's now safe to turn power back on. Do this at the breaker or the furnace if you have a switch there. Your new thermostat will display 01 AP, which signals it is now ready to be paired to Wi-Fi. Go to your Portal account at portal.tricklestar.com to complete the Wi-Fi setup.